Reproduction is essential for the continuation of life. Without it, species would disappear. Non-living things such as chairs, pencils, or computers cannot reproduce. A living being must show all the essential life processes: movement, growth, respiration, reproduction, excretion, and response to stimuli to be considered alive. When these processes stop permanently, the organism is said to be dead. What about a seed? At first glance, it appears non-living because it does not move or breathe like animals do. But given the right conditions, water, air, and warmth, it germinates and grows into a plant. This means a seed is a living thing in a resting state, waiting for the right time to grow. Common characteristics of living beings. From our observations, living beings move on their own in obvious or hidden ways, grow and change during their life, need food or energy, breathe or exchange gases, reproduce to make more of their kind, respond to change around them. These features help us clearly distinguish between living and non-living things. Germination of a seed. Have you ever watched a seed slowly change into a tiny plant? This process is called germination. For a seed to germinate, it needs certain conditions. Let's investigate what they are. Seeds germinate best when they get the right amount of water, not too much, not too little. Enough air for respiration. Sunlight is not needed for the germination itself, but it is essential for the plant to grow after germination. If even one of these conditions is missing or unsuitable, seed germination is affected. How do these conditions help seeds germinate? From our seed experiment, we can see how each condition plays a role in germination. Water. Seeds need water to begin germination. Water softens the seed coat and the out covering, and activates the tiny embryo inside, allowing it to grow into a young plant. Without water, the seed remains dormant. Air and soil. Seeds use oxygen from the air present in the tiny spaces between soil particles. These spaces also make it easier for the roots to grow and spread. If the soil is waterlogged, air spaces get filled with water and the seed may not germinate. Light and darkness. Most seeds, including beans, do not need light for germination itself. They can sprout in both light and dark places. However, once the seedling emerges, sunlight becomes essential for making food through photosynthesis and for healthy growth. However, once the seedling emerges, sunlight becomes essential for making food through photosynthesis and for healthy growth. Apart from water, air, and sunlight, what other factors might affect seed germination? Temperature, quality of soil, and absence of pests are some possibilities.